Hey friends, Microsoft Edge's built-in tool for translation is not usually visible on any page on Microsoft Edge. For example, I can go to geekjam.com and I will not see the translator tool. But let's say I opened a different language website. Let's say I opened a Hindi website. So a tool will suddenly appear here which says show translate options. I'll show you where it is. It is at the end of the address bar just behind this extensions icon. So click on this and then choose a language to translate it to and click on translate. Now I'm telling you it's not perfect. It is not perfect, but it's still good enough. It does the job for a lot of people and they are making it better. It is getting better with time. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.